How to add grid lines in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. After doing this, here on the right top, tap on next. So basically we're in this editing platform. Here you can make different changes and edits on the video. Now this is the place where you can easily do this. Now in order to add grid lines, here on the top there's a section of grid. Simply tap on it, and as you can see there's a certain grid lines that are available. So what is this used for? Basically you can use this to have exact frames and easily edit your video. At last you can simply tap on it and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.